a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
What is going on, guys? Justin, OV update, back again with another video. Welcome back to the weekly update. Another week of amazing news, guys. Drake is dropping tonight. Shit's going to go crazy. Instagram blowing up, Twitter blowing up. It's going to be a legendary night. But without further ado, man, let's kick things off from earlier this week on Drake's story, where he was rocking the Chrome Hearts again, guys. It seems like every single video he's rocking a new Chrome Hearts item, and we're always talking about it. Very, very sick fleece. And speaking of Chrome Hearts, check out this photo that got quickly deleted. A Chrome Hearts wheel, like a whole ass rim for his Rolls Royce, with Drake posted up next to it. Absolutely insane. Hopefully we'll see the full photos of this car soon and the full pic itself. But there's a little teaser for you guys there. Super sick. Maybe it will be featured in an up and coming Drake music video. Moving right along, guys, we have Drake shooting a music video at the Hamilton airport. That's where he parks his plane when he's in Toronto, and also on Fort York Street. Late at night, he was shooting a video caught with the new Maybach truck. You guys know everyone's going crazy with that car. But anyways, he's been seen shooting a video. I'm not sure if it's a trailer or a music video. Just know we're definitely gonna be seeing some crazy content soon, whether it's from him at the airport on the plane, him in the truck, him in Toronto. It's going to be insane. Maybe we'll see it with the Scary Hours drop tonight. Who actually knows? But I'm definitely excited. As you can see, the Maybach truck is completely kitted out for filming, so just know some serious content is on the way. Let me know what you guys think it is down below. Is it CLB trailer? Is it music video? Let's address the elephant in the room, guys. Scary Hours part number 2. As you know, the whole gang posted this photo. Mark, Nico, Chubbs. You guys know when that happens, it's shut down. Scary Hours number 2. Will we get 2 songs? Will we get 1 song? Will it be a single and a music video? Who knows what it could be, but we're getting some sort of music tonight. So there it is, guys. Scary Hours tonight, midnight. Make sure you're on it, stream it, post it. It's gonna be going crazy. Anyways, guys, we have the OVO drop list as well. Nothing too crazy this week, just a restock of the scents, the Kumba collaboration. So we have the incense holders, we got the sticks, we have the big ass machine, the $200 machine, we have the candles, and we have the little car things. Nothing new though, guys, just a restock. In last week's video, I said I wanted to grab the OVO hat because it's the first time they did a hat in such a long time, a nice snapback or flat style hat, trucker hat in this case, and I ended up grabbing it. As you can see, very nice. Check out the embroidery details. Nice mesh quality on the back. Definitely not a cheap mesh trucker hat at all. Again, take a look at that nice embroidery, guys. Not gonna lie though, $70 shipped was pretty expensive. The $15 shipping was super annoying. I hope stores open back up in Toronto. I'm sure everyone in Toronto feels the same way. It's so annoying paying that shipping when we're so close to these stores. 3 of them to be exact. Also, speaking of pickups, I actually ended up grabbing this Murakami pan for the pancakes. Just know, guys, we eating good. I ended up getting this for 40 bucks on the site. And that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'm gonna catch y'all next week in the next video. Peace.